Hello, my good friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Welcome, welcome. So, I'll be making some peanut soup today. Well, nkatengkwai, as it is locally called in Ghana. I've picked up some fresh organic ingredients from Whole Foods to ensure the end product is delicious. I have some red onions that I'll be using, 3 tomatoes, some spicy habanero peppers, some fresh ginger, which I grew this myself and harvested it this morning, and I'll be adding a little bit of garlic to my meal today. I also got some mushrooms, a little bit of carrot, and for the choice of meat today, I'll be using this whole organic chicken that I bought from the store. So, to start, I'm going to steam the tomatoes with the onions and spices for about 10 minutes, and then I'll blend everything together once it's cooked. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper for some spice. And I'll also add some rosemary to it before I add my blended spices to the chicken. Then I'll add a bit of water, maybe about a glass or a glass and a half, then let it cook for about 10 minutes afterwards. Now at this stage, I prefer to take out the chicken just because from experience, the chicken that I typically get from the store is quite soft, right? So if you don't take it out before you cook the whole thing, you'll end up basically breaking up the chicken apart into tiny little pieces. And peanut soup, I must stress this, you have to cook it thoroughly, right? You don't want to cook it for a little bit, you want to cook it for a long period of time, because if the peanut is not well cooked, well, you'll be having some run into the restrooms, and we want to avoid that altogether, right? This smells good. Smells amazing even from here. Let's test it and see. Oh my lord. Ay ay ay. The salt is perfect.